Welcome to Pretty Crafty. Today we're going to be making this cute animal finger puppet. You will need cardstock, a ruler, a compass, scissors, a craft knife, a marker, and some googly eyes. Using the compass, cut out 2 circles from your cardstock. Make sure that one circle is slightly smaller than the other. These will be your animal's head and torso. Next, use something round like a glue stick to draw 2 circles on the bottom of the bigger circle. Carefully cut these circles out using a craft knife. These will form your finger holes. Cut some ears out of the cardboard and then glue all the cardboard pieces together. Finally, it's time to decorate. Glue on some googly eyes and have fun drawing on all the other features using a marker pen. And just like that, you are done. Well done on making your own animal finger puppet. Have fun making things together with your family and friends. The only limit is your imagination.